Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Asvab Weekly. Today's question is going to cover the automotive information section of the test. And our question asks us, what is a transaxle? In A, our answer is the axle in an all-wheel or four-wheel drive vehicle. B, the combination of the transmission and the differential in a front-wheel drive vehicle. C, the combination of the transmission and the non-driven axle. And D, the combination of the transmission and the differential in an all-wheel drive vehicle. What I've done is taken the liberty of giving you some information here, and I went too far, but that's okay. There we go. A rear-wheel drive layout. Up front, in red, we have the engine. In pink, we have a torque converter. In green, we have the transmission. And then energy is given to the drive shaft or transmitted to the drive shaft, and then the final drive comes out of the rear wheels. So the rear wheels set the car in motion. The front wheels steer. Let's go to our front wheel drive layout. Our front wheel drive layout, we have our engine, we have our torque converter. The transaxle, which is related to the question, what is a transaxle? We're probably looking at it. So we have a front wheel drive and everything's up front, and the final drive comes out of the front axle. So back to our question, what is a transaxle? The axle in an all-wheel or four-wheel drive vehicle? Probably not the answer. B, the combination of the transmission and the differential in a front-wheel drive vehicle? That's probably it. But let's look at the other one. C, the combination of the transmission and the non-driven axle. Transmission is up front in this case, but that is also the driven axle, doesn't apply. D, the combination of the transmission and the differential in an all-wheel drive vehicle. Not it. I would go with B. So listen, thanks for watching Asvab Weekly. Please like and subscribe. If you have anybody taking the Asvab test, anybody joining the Army, Air Force, Navy, Marines, or Coast Guard, they're going to have to take this test, and they're going to want to do really good about it. So spread the word. Thanks for watching Asvab Weekly, and good evening.